Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Everyone wants a piece of the crypto cake nowadays, and Arbitrum is a coin I think still has huge potential, and I have my eyes on $10 by the next crypto bull run minimum. So we're going to check out ARB today. We're going to dig deep into this ecosystem, and if you are new to the channel, do subscribe because we've got some very exciting things to share with you. Currently, Arbitrum is ranked 35, trading at $1.44. We can see it has a $1.8 billion market capital during a crypto bear market. So there is a lot of upside potential for this coin. Make sure you also head on over to their website and check if you are also eligible for the airdrop claim of ARB. As you can see, 156 days away. So it's definitely worth taking a little look at. So very keen to see what's going to happen with this particular coin right now. We're going to look at the good, bad, the ugly for this particular coin. But there are a few metrics we can be very bullish on, but also a few metrics we should feel a little bit bearish on at the same time. So let's crack into it. It's been a red week for crypto. Therefore, we did see Bitcoin get overextended. Many altcoins were suffering and have suffered and tilted to the downside a little bit because of the rejection at $30,000 for Bitcoin. We see Bitcoin now at 28k, which is perfectly fine. It doesn't matter if it goes up or down, in my opinion, because I'm dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin for the long term. And I apply this logic to most top tier and blue chip altcoins as well. You know, I'm buying into coins because I'm holding them until 2030. I don't care if I'm buying Bitcoin at 15k, 20k, or even 25k, because I know, I believe inside that Bitcoin will go way beyond $100,000 at some point in the future. So here is, of course, Arbitrum Foundation. Welcome to the future of Ethereum. Check your eligibility to claim ARB. Now, if you are bullish on the Ethereum ecosystem, if you like Ethereum, you've got to be bullish on these layer 2 solutions and these roll-up solutions as well. Things that help to scale the platform itself. So that means making transactions faster and also reducing gas fees, which is perfect. So what is Arbitrum? It's an Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution. It uses optimistic rollups to achieve its goal of improving speed, scalability, and cost efficiency on the Ethereum platform, which is absolutely amazing. And it says right here, secure scaling for Ethereum. So Arbitrum's suite of scaling solutions provides faster speeds, and it helps basically, you know, mitigate that congested network and also save tons of money on gas fees. You can see already $1.1 billion has been saved on Ethereum gas fees, and they already have $7 billion of total value locked, which is absolutely crazy, guys. Looking at the Arbitrum Twitter page, you can see so far they have 715,000 followers, which is really, really good. And just recently, they surpassed 200 million transactions, which is absolutely crazy. So we're seeing this kind of parabolic line going straight up during a crypto winter, and this really started to happen around sort of January 2023 as you saw this coin really fly. And as we get more sort of dApps and things built on this ecosystem, I imagine this coin will fly even further. Now, there's some of the good things. You know, we also have some other good things to look at, such as the total value locked of this coin, which is really nice, sitting at 2.3 billion in November 2021, came down to around $500 million. Now we're seeing it come back up to retest those previous highs of 2.2. We can also see the chain here. GMX is where we're seeing most of that total value locked. So I'm keen to see what could happen for this coin. Now, we need to also understand what other things are happening for this coin behind the scenes when we dig deep into the on-chain data. So we can see here a really interesting article, Arbitrum in rough waters as the protocol shows a decline in these key metrics. So of course, this is a bearish post. You know, this is bearish. They want you to sell right now. Arbitrum stablecoin outflow declined as fees collected by the protocol fell. However, the positive performance of new dApps on the network could prove beneficial for the Arbitrum ecosystem in the long run. So maybe there's not much to worry about after all. We can see fees collected by the protocol declined. Arbitrum held onto a high total value locked nonetheless. So Arbitrum has been able to dominate the L2 space over the last few months. You know, really dominate. Think like Polygon, Matic, Optimism, things like this. And we're going to talk about what's happening, exactly why this coin has dropped in price a little bit, why there's a bit of a decline, and some negative morale around this coin. But don't let it fear you from making decisions. So the decline in the stablecoin outflow of Arbitrum has been a concerning factor. Arbitrum recently experienced its second largest outflow of stablecoin liquidity, with the most of it coming from USDT. A decline in stablecoin outflow suggests that the demand for the protocol's services may have decreased. or that the other competing protocols have gained popularity, therefore seeing customer attrition. Another concerning indicator for Arbitrum was the sharp decline in fees collected by the protocol. Despite observing a high daily activity on its network with multiple transactions, Arbitrum failed to compete with another layer 2 solutions in terms of fees collected off the network. And we can see, whoa, this just read my mind, Optimus Polygon right there, some competitors. So if you're looking at retrospect, Optimism, literally a coin with 10 to 100x potential. Polygon already did 100x. Is Arbitrum going to be the next coin to do this 100x? On the bright side, Arbitrum's TVL and the smart contracts remained impressive despite the decline of fees, surpassing that of other protocols such as Polygon and Optimism. So that's really, really cool. We can see here Artemis BAM, app of the day, ARB, is a DEX aggregator that grew to 20,000 daily active users, up 500x in a month. So we're seeing so much Arbitrum hype right now, which is really, really good in my honest opinion. I'm very keen to see where this coin could go. Now, maybe you're an expert trader, maybe you're a beginner, maybe you're an advanced, maybe you're looking for some trading signals and you want to get more insights and analysis sent straight to your Discord channel. Well, I do have a Discord with over 400 patrons that are paying sometimes as little as just $20 a month and even $10 per month to unlock trading signals, which is absolutely awesome. And there's also a few higher tier packages if you want to unlock more benefits, but my Patreon link is down below, guys. If you want to unlock some trading signals just like these ones here, I'm going to show you just a few. This is one of our in-house technical analysts. Curious is a really, really good analyst, and guys, honestly, the Discord is down below, the Patreon is down below. So if you need some trading signals this crypto winter and you want all the analysis, the entry points, the stop losses, and absolutely everything sent right to your Discord where you can just copy, trade everything here, then please do click down below and consider becoming a patron. Could really, really help you learn for the long term as well. And just to show you, here is the trades chat where everyone is just talking about what's going on in the crypto markets at the moment. And here we have some trading cards which really reflects the growth and the performance of how people are doing with their trades. So there's going to be lots of fun stuff, competitions, prizes, tournaments, much more. But you can see people are seriously making a lot of money right here by following our calls within the Discord, and we have a really, really nice accuracy, over 75% in terms of that. So do consider becoming a patron. The link is right down below for you. Now we're going to check out some Arbitrum price analysis. So what's going on, in my honest opinion? So Arbitrum, obviously a lot of hype at launch, and we can see a really nice phase here of undervaluation, in my honest opinion, around that $1.10 level. And this is a level where if Arbitrum did some reason drop back down to this particular level, down to $1.10, I'm going to be all over it. And if it does come down that low, it's going to be around a 23% correction from the current price level. So we can see what's happening is from this particular low as well. When we look at the corrective phase on the Fibonacci retracement, is we're retesting that 0.5 resistance trend line right here at $1.46. So I think this coin has certainly got $10 potential in it. It's currently trading in a falling wedge, which is a bullish reversal pattern. And we can see if we do get this breakout, there's a good chance we'll trade from $1.44 and retest this resistance here. So at $9 trade up to $1.57 at that resistance trend line. We can see on the 4-hour time frame, we are under the 20-day moving average over here, guys. And we are obviously in a bullish reversal pattern, which is really, really nice. What happened over here on the 14th of April 2023 is that we got an overbought position, 88 on the RSI, and we started to see a bearish divergence play out. If you look at the highs here, the higher highs of the price structure, and then if you look at the RSI, we can see we're forming these lower highs. We've got that bearish divergence, and that's why the price dropped. Of course, following the trajectory of Bitcoin as well, we saw that price drop, and that's not what you want to see. But we are now in a nice corrective phase where we could potentially look at loading up for the future. My 2023 targets are certainly going to be pretty generous as well at $2.52. There's a 75% increase from the current price level, and that's honestly what I think we can see for 2023. We are still in a bear market, guys. Let's not forget that. Cost of living is sky high, interest rates, inflation, all that stuff is not helping the crypto market still. And this is, in my opinion, a classic bear market rally. So don't get your hopes too high, but still focus on the long term 2025, 2030 objectives, as opposed to trying to cash out this year. So yeah, really, really keen to see what's going to happen here with this coin. Still a very new coin, new project, so keep your eyes on it. It's really, really exciting. Now, if you're like me, you also like a bit of high risk, high reward play. Well, there is a coin known as Love Hate Inu, and I've bought a ton of this token. It's a meme coin, and the last meme coin we looked at on this channel was Tamadoge, which is a 20x, by the way, guys. So that was 2,000% return on investment. We currently just broken through the $5 million raised in a crypto bear market. At the moment, one Love Hate Inu token is 0.000115 USDT. The launch price is going to be 0.000145 on paper gains of 40% from the current price level. This is one of the best coins ever. With Sin play to earn, with Sin move to earn, you're now getting a vote to earn crypto, which is a meme coin pre-sale, meaning it's in ICO phase where it's not yet deployed on centralized or decentralized exchanges. The link to this coin is down below, guys. You can find the pre-sale link to Love Hate Inu down below. Have a little click, do your own research and due diligence. Of course, this is a pre-sale and they can be risky, so do not risk more than you can afford to lose. And this is absolutely not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, but this is just how the website looks. So, meme coins, of course, get a lot of hype. Community makes the value. And with this particular coin, what you do is basically you stake to vote, you vote to earn, and then you actually earn free cryptocurrency by doing so, by voting on societal matters that could possibly mean something to you. So here is an example of the votes as well, the polls and how they look. And here is an example of some of the funny looking cards. So there's a bit of humor involved, you know, bit of quirkiness, which is also quite good, I honestly think. So a lot of potential with this coin. I do think I can make a lot of money with this coin, which is I decide to buy more and more and more of this particular meme coin. Carl Dawkins is also the CEO, and Carl Dawkins, for those that don't know, was the CEO of Tamadoge. He is an expert in marketing, Web3, NFTs, metaverse, the whole Shazam, guys, the whole lot. And this guy, I honestly think, can make this coin moon. You have trust in him that he is going to make this coin also potentially moon. So I would love to see that happen. Link is down below, of course. Make sure you do your due diligence research. Look at the white paper. 100 billion total tokens, 90% sold to the public, 10% left for liquidity, listings, and rewards. Now, before we end this video, guys, of course, I want to remind you just to get into the Discord channel, which is listed down below. There's 13,000 members in the Discord channel, so you might as well get in there. Even if you don't want to pay for anything, you can get, you know, some free insights anyway. We have the general chat area where you can really talk, and you know, there's loads of people in here. Like I say, over 13,000 people that are learning, trading, and exploring crypto opportunities every day. Crypto news regarding key fib levels. A Fibonacci retracement from the recent lows to the recent highs can be expected. The upside to give 161%. So they're expecting in you know, this right here, long-term R bulls, a bit of analysis from the crypto news site. They are saying a $10 is a realistic target in the coming years. I also agree, because when you look at the market capital over here, guys, you know, 1.8 billion, a 10x would be 18 billion, and in this current supply, it would be a $14 price valuation. So very, very bullish on Arbitrum. Most of the volume coming from Binance, Upbit, Uniswap, Gate.io, and it's already listed on those top tier exchanges as well as Coinbase. So I can't wait to see what's going to happen for this protocol, especially during a bull market environment. If you like this video, do smash that subscribe button. And if you got to the end of this long 12-minute video, well, high five to you, sir. You are very, very special. Thanks for tuning in. And honestly, I appreciate every second that you give this channel. So hopefully see you soon. Get yourself in the Discord. Check out those Love Hate Inu and other pre-sales down below as well. Much love.